Welcome back, my dear artist. This video I'm going to show you how to create a completely free online store so you can upload any product you can think of, accept several payment methods, and also other shipping methods that you would like to use. I have this online store. It's for cell phone cases. These prices are not in American dollars. It's like $25. This is Mexican pesos. But this is a preview of a website you can create with moving pictures. And when you click on a product, you'd be able to see that you can accept several payment methods and everything. Okay, let's get to it. First thing you need to do, it's obviously decide which kind of business you are going to set up, you're going to start this venture with. If you already have an idea or you already have a business, just go to edwith.com and here click and get started for free. And it's going to ask you several questions so you can start creating your account. Just input your name, email, and password, and create the new account. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to get to it. And let's go. This is a pretty simple online store that I created because on a website that I sell the online courses, I only needed, since it's an online course where I started uploading the videos for the course and several files, I only needed to sell three products, which are these three. And this one is the same, that's why it's a duplicate. And these are the other products. These are in American dollars. And for example, in this, I just set up a backlink in my online course. So it's a pretty simple idea. If you go to, for example, here's my course, online course, this is in Spanish, and click on supplies for the course you need for this example that I show in this course, how to create these moving pictures, 3D pictures. And when you click on supplies, they send you directly to my Egwith account. And there you can buy my products for the supplies so you use. This is also an idea if you have maybe a blog or a information website and you only want to sell a product but you don't want your whole main website to be an online store. This is a pretty good idea just to sell the products, and it's really, really simple. So, okay, let's get back to it. Here in, this is in Spanish. Let me see if I can change it to English. Okay, there's in English. To change the language of your setup for the dashboard, just go here at the bottom and select the language that you would like. This would not change the language of your online store. This will only change the language of your dashboard. To change the language of your online store, you need to go to settings and then select regional settings, and you can change the store language here, language settings. Okay, let's imagine this is you're starting out, so you need to fill out the payment forms, your profile. You can select the free plan because obviously this video is to show you how to sell for free. Overview of your website, and for example here you can select a theme. To start changing your theme, just click on edit and you can select here a theme to start changing everything. For example here, this will look like a banner at the top, then the products, and you can add your Facebook or your social media links if you have them. I seriously recommend, obviously, if you have an online store, you're opening up a business, to open up also the social media accounts. Okay, and okay, let's get back to it. To this, we're not going to go everything, just to show you a little bit about the design and payment options. For example, here, if you want to set up a payment by cash, if you have an online brick and mortar store and you want to I don't know, to get people to go to the store, you can select here pay by cash or a bank account. Here you need to open up a PayPal account. If you already have it, just set it up here. It's pretty easy. Also, if you have a Stripe account, if you don't have one, it's also pretty easy to open up. Just go to stripe.com or paypal.com to open up these accounts and link them to your bank accounts to start accepting these payment methods. For the design of your website, you can select here the image size of your products, large, medium, small. It's pretty easy. This is very user-friendly, very intuitive to start working on your website and everything related to it. For the settings, obviously, just input your store name, input your company email, your address. Here's the links to your social media. And for the catalog, this is where you're going to add your products. If you want to add them, for example, like this one, which is a product with a moving picture, which is I would suggest if you are selling products that you want to go to the website and start looking out like GIF image, GIF images that move. I'm going to show you really quickly how this can be created. Let's say you have a video. Okay, let's going to do it very quickly. Let me see if I can go to another website I also manage. Okay, let's say here I have this one. And let's suppose, okay, I want to create a video to look like this way, this exact same way. Okay, if you already have a video, I mean, like this one, let's say we want to convert it to a GIF to be able to upload it as an image on my Egg-With website, and then to show it as a product, like this exact same example. Let's see. Okay, here's a product I have. Let me see this one. I think this one looked really nice. Okay, let's put it here on the desktop. Let me just see okay, it's 7 seconds long. Okay, yes, this one would work. Then just go to Google, for example, and go to convert video to GIF. And go to easygif.com. This one is the one I've been using almost each single time I want to create my videos to GIF. And just select the video that you took for your product. Upload your video. It will take a few seconds if you have a fast internet connection. Okay, I don't see this uploading. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's go to wait a little bit until it converts. For your also your website, it's not going to be like, for example, phonecases.com. It's going to be edwithsomething.com because this is a freebie. So you need to be able to understand this. If you can pay also, but since this video is to do it completely free, we're going to show you how it's going to look. For example, my website name for this example I'm using for this video is Arte Cuadrado. So the website will be arte/cuadrado .company.site. And this is, for example, if you are selling your website name, I don't know, it's computers 3D or computers flash drives.com. It's going to be computerflashdrive.company.site. But it's going to be exactly the same. Nowadays, almost nobody searches for a website using .com. They usually click on your social media accounts and send them directly to your company site. If you really want to get just a .com site, it's really easy. I will post a video afterwards about this, but it's costs around, I don't know, like $12 to $20 yearly, depending on if you want a .com, .net, and so on. Okay, let's see if this one is ready. Okay, here it is. I want to crop it a little bit because I don't want it to be vertical, so just let's convert it firstly to GIF. I don't want it to be 6 seconds long. Let's do it 3 seconds long. For it to be, it's better if you upload a GIF image which is not very large in size to make your website load faster, and this is really important. This is really big. So let's change the size. We don't need a GIF image so big. Mostly also because nowadays people use your cell phone. So, okay, here it is. This is a very good size. And let's just grab a little bit. Use your cell phone, so you don't need really big images since it's not really necessary nowadays. Okay, that's it. Crop image. And then just save it. And there you go. You have your now image to upload it to your new online store. Let's go back to Ecwid. And just go to catalog, add new product, upload your image, select your new image, just name it Sun Image Phone Case. You can here start adding your SKU if you have 1,000 products to be able to identify them. The weight is important if you do shippings and you have like a tabulation, a chart to be able to calculate if you, for example, have 1 pound for the same fee of shipping and national fee. And then if it's like 1.2 pounds, then it's a different fee. And you can do this in the shipping report and configuration here also. Here's the description. If just add a brief description about your product. The pricing, for example, let's say I want to sell my cell phone case for $20. And attributes, okay, the UPC if you have like a barcode, sorry, the brand, and yeah, so on. If you also sell digital goods, for example, for files, you can also sell them, but this is not free. And this is for the shipping and pickup, SEO if you want to add, but this is also you need to pay. Related products, if you want, for example, when you go to a product and you want to see them here below, you can also label them, and so they can show when they are looking to throughout your products. And yeah, well, let's say, okay, I'm finished, save. Now there's my product. For the shipping and pickups here, you can start creating the shipping methods. This is really easy too, very user-friendly. For example, here I have custom rates. This is what I was talking to you about. If it's from 0 to 1 pound or kilograms, which is mostly used around the world, it's 7. Since it's from 1 to 2 kilos, it's 9 to 10 and so on. And there's also fixed fees if you want to create them. For example, if it's international, here's for regional, for Mexico, this is for US, Canada, and rest of the world. And also you can create them for different fees depending on the weight. It's amazing that you can do everything, all of this for free. Okay, let's look at the product that we just created. Let's go back to the website, complete website. And here now you can see the product and with a moving image. It's pretty simple, pretty fun, user-friendly, and now you can start selling for free, completely for free. Thank you, my dearest artist. I will be uploading more videos, and be sure to subscribe, send me a message, comment on this video for any doubts or questions.